What's up guys, I'm Keira Duncan, I'm from South Africa. I'm an elite enduro athlete and I'm out here at Maribor to ride some bikes today. Really looking forward to heading up onto the hill. We're going to have some fun.
Counting me out, moment of truth, counting it down. Underdog story goes down for the count. Back on my feet, back with a mic, back on the beat, back with a family that bang in the streets. The game on lock, I stand with a key. Standing my ground, I am planning to flee. Standing my ground, I am planting my feet. Taking a stand, embracing my destiny, shaking his hand. Flipping the script, changing the plans. Up to the top and I'm taking the fans. Making them jump, making them dance, making them jump, making them dance. We about to change the game. We out here taking names. Let our voices rise. Let them reach the skies. We about to change the game. Let's go.
So I got dragged into coming out here to ride with some mates and man, couldn't be more stoked to be here. The enduro trails are so sick and yeah man, just stoked to be out here at Maribor. I wasn't gonna come past and I think the stars aligned and brought me here, so rock and roll.